In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find like posts on LinkedIn. We'll go through each step to ensure you can easily locate and revisit posts that you've appreciated in the past. So, let's dive right in and get you started. First, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you feel most comfortable using. In the address bar, type linkedin.com and press enter. Once the LinkedIn homepage loads, you'll need to sign into your account. You can do this by choosing your preferred sign-in method, whether it's through Google, Microsoft, or by directly entering your email address and password. Make sure to have your login credentials handy. If you have two-factor authentication set up, LinkedIn is going to prompt you for a verification code that's sent to your phone. So, be sure to keep your phone nearby for quick access to the code. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. Next, look towards the upper right corner of the page, where you'll see your avatar or profile picture. Click on your picture to open up a drop-down menu. From the available options, select View Profile. This will lead you straight to your personal profile page. Now, let's focus on finding those like posts. As you scroll down your profile, keep an eye out for the activity section. It might take a few moments to locate, but don't worry, it's usually pretty accessible as you browse through your profile. Once you find the activity section, you'll notice an option labeled Show All Activity. Go ahead and click on that. This action will direct you to a section named All Activity, which provides a comprehensive overview of your LinkedIn interactions. Here, you'll be able to see not only your own posts but also the posts you've commented on and liked. This is the spot where you'll find the list of posts you've interacted with. At this point, you're right where you need to be. Feel free to scroll through this activity overview at your own pace to revisit the posts you've liked. Not only is this a great way to revisit content you've appreciated, but it's also an opportunity to engage again with posts that might still be trending or contain valuable information. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to locate your like posts on LinkedIn. Whether you're a casual user or someone leveraging LinkedIn for professional networking, knowing how to navigate your past interactions is crucial. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you can now easily access and revisit the posts you've interacted with on LinkedIn. If you have any further questions or need assistance with other LinkedIn features, feel free to reach out.